Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have top 10 best adventure touring motorcycles for 2025. Here's the detailed specification breakdown for the top 10 best adventure touring motorcycles for 2025. For each bike, I've included the MSRP, engine details, power, torque, transmission, seat height, weight, fuel capacity, and key features. Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. MSRP $14,599. Engine 1037 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 107 horsepower. Torque 75 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.9 inches. Weight 504 pounds. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features: ride-by-wire throttle, traction control and ride modes, ABS, adjustable windscreen, off-road capable suspension. Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special. MSRP $18,999. Engine 1252 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 150 horsepower. Torque 94 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.5 to 34.5 inches, adjustable. Weight 534 pounds. Fuel capacity 21.2 liters. Features: adaptive ride height, semi-active suspension, cornering ABS and traction control, 6.8-inch TFT display, cruise control and hill hold control. BMW K1600 GTL. MSRP $24,995. Engine 1649 cubic centimeters inline 6. Power 160 horsepower. Torque 129 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 30.7 inches. Weight 807 pounds. Fuel capacity 26.5 liters. Features: electronic suspension adjustment, ESA. Adaptive cruise control. Integrated navigation system. Heated grips and seat. Advanced safety features like ABS Pro and traction control. Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin. MSRP $16,199. Engine 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 101 horsepower. Torque 77 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed DCT, dual clutch transmission, option. Seat height 33.5 to 34.3 inches. Weight 498 pounds. Fuel capacity 18.8 liters. Features: electronic ride modes, rain, tour, sport, gravel. Traction control and ABS. Throttle-by-wire. Showa suspension with electronic control. New LED headlamps and improved ergonomics. Kawasaki Versys 1000 CLT Plus. MSRP $17,099. Engine 1043 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power 120 horsepower. Torque 75 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.9 inches. Weight 507 pounds. Fuel capacity 21 liters. Features: electronic cruise control. KTRC, Kawasaki traction control. Semi-active suspension. TFT color display. LED headlights and cornering lights. Yamaha Ténéré 1200. MSRP $15,999. Engine 1,199 cubic centimeters parallel twin. Power 112 horsepower. Torque 82 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.9 inches. Weight 605 pounds. Fuel capacity 23 liters. Features: advanced traction control and multiple riding modes. Adjustable windscreen. Dual LED headlights. 5-inch TFT display. Off-road focus suspension. Indian FTR Rally. MSRP $15,499. Engine 1,203 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 120 horsepower. Torque 87 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 32.5 inches. Weight 510 pounds. Fuel capacity 12.8 liters. Features: off-road focus suspension. Traction control and ride modes. Adjustable front and rear suspension. Digital display. Rally-style design with high fenders and knobby tires. KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. MSRP $18,799. Engine 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power 160 horsepower. Torque 103 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.9 inches. Weight 507 pounds. Fuel capacity 23 liters. Features: semi-active suspension. Cornering ABS and traction control. 7-inch TFT display. Adaptive cruise control. Off-road focus riding modes. Ducati Multistrada V4. MSRP $22,695. Engine 1,158 cubic centimeters V4. Power 170 horsepower. Torque 92 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 33.1 inches. Weight 529 pounds. Fuel capacity 22 liters. Features: radar-assisted adaptive cruise control. Cornering ABS and traction control. Skyhook suspension system. TFT display with Ducati multimedia system. Excellent aerodynamics and handling. Triumph Tiger 1200. MSRP $21,500. Engine 1,215 cubic centimeters inline 3. Power 148 horsepower. Torque 90 pound-foot. Transmission 6-speed. Seat height 31.9 to 33.5 inches. Weight 505 pounds. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Features: adaptive suspension. Multiple riding modes, road, off-road, sport, etc. Keyless ignition. LED lighting and cornering lights. Triumph's connectivity system for navigation and calls.